Welcome back, Watch Addicts. It's that time again. Watch Gang watch has turned up. So, time to do an unboxing. Wristwatch check. I'm actually wearing last month's watch. I have had it on for a few days. I'm really liking this watch. So anyway, let's get down to the unboxing. So, let's open up. Come on. Oh, come on. Open up. Well, is it going to be the good, the bad, or the 'tis the season to be given? Get rid of that. So, let's see what we've got. Oh, put the camera down a bit. There we go. We got a Heritage automatic. Brilliant. That's actually the number. So let's get into it. Nice little box. Quite cheap like, but sure, it doesn't even feel like there's anything in that. Right. Is it the good, the bad, or the what the have you sent me? I hope there's no thingy inside it. Stop. So anyway, 3, 2, 1. Hey, look at this. Oh, skeleton. Well, obviously we know it's an automatic because it says on the box. Let's have a look at this. Well, that's not too bad. Let's get this light over here a little bit more. We can see it a bit better. Well, am I happy with that? Yes, I am. Well done, Watch Gang. So this is the what? September, October, November, December. 4th good watch on the trot. Well done, you lot. Let's get this off here. Let's have a proper look. So we got a skeleton thingy. Is it? That's a bit weird, that. Oh, what's with that? Look at that. 27th. It's the 8th today. So spin that all the way around to about 4 o'clock. And then let's get the, which way is it going? That way. 6, 7, 8th. And it is now only 7:45. Around about there. It's not a screw down crown, but I'll tell you what, let's have a good look at that. That is pretty decent there. Leather strap. Logo on the buckle. Let's open it up a bit. Oh, we got, oh, that's stiff. Display case back. So, it is a Seiko movement, isn't it? Let me just have a quick scan of it. Let me see. Everything's upside down on it. So, I think it's like a 4R35 movement. But it's still a nice watch. I like it. Let me know what you think. If you don't like it, that's fair enough. But this is going to get some wrist time tomorrow, because I am liking that. So anyway, that is the new December Black Tier watch. And stick it away nicely. So, for all you bike addicts, I've got a new bike coming. It seems like it's going to be after Christmas. So I'll show that once I've got it. I've just been ordering some new parts for it today. These parts were on like crap. You can't buy them with like some XT or anything like that parts on it, but never mind. So anyway, this is the new Watch Gang watch. Pretty decent. Herita. So what does it say on the back? Let's have a look what it says on the back. Automatic, water resistance, 100 meters, all stainless steel. Doesn't have the what doesn't it put on? Counterweight. Actually got Herita engraved into it. Well, yeah, I'm liking this watch, so thank you, Watch Gang. Anyway, keep it short. So keep watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more videos, and I'll see you all soon. I forgot a little quick wristwatch check as well, so you can see what it looks like on the wrist. Very nice. So that's what it looks like. So anyway guys, keep watching, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon.